Hello students, the question is water vapor comes out from the plant leaf through stomatal opening. Through the same stomatal opening, carbon dioxide diffuses into the plant during photosynthesis. Reason out the above stomata statements using one of the following options. A. Above process happens during night time. B. One process occur during daytime and the another at night time. C. Both the processes cannot happen simultaneously. D. Both processes can happen together because the diffusion coefficient of water and carbon dioxide is different. So बच्चे क्वेश्चन क्या कह रहा है? क्वेश्चन कह रहा है कि प्लांट्स में से वाटर लॉस होता है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ वाटर वेपर्स and that comes out through stomatal opening, and through that same stomatal opening carbon dioxide plants absorb कर रहे हैं. Means this एक pore stomatal opening helps in intake of carbon dioxide and release of water in the form of water vapors. So how this occurs at both the things, how can occur through the same pore? Does the process occur at night time? No. Gaseous exchange जो है ये भी gaseous exchange can occur at daytime as well as at night time, and water vapors, loss of water vapor can occur at daytime as well as night time, while the rate of loss that of water vapor, that is transpiration, is high during the daytime and very less or negligible during the night time. So one process, no, both the processes occur simultaneously or can occur simultaneously. So both processes cannot happen simultaneously, they can occur simultaneously. So both the processes can happen together because the diffusion coefficient of water and carbon dioxide is different. So the correct answer here is option D. Thank you.